Hello guys, so this is the JAYS 1 Plus and I wanted to try these past a long time. So yeah, JAYS is a Swedish made company and as I said earlier, they have made a spectacular name in the market, and the 1 Plus is an entry level earphone by the JAYS, but it's no short of premium, especially with the price tag of right under 4,000. And you can feel that right from the unboxing experience, which is unlike something I have ever experienced before. So it has this oval door layout with a soft to touch plastic all around. Well, it's amazing until you have to open it by poking this with a sharp shit. So yeah, once that's done, it pops right open and slide it through. You'll find the manual right at your face. I don't really care what you do with it. So up next you have the ear tips on the top and then the earphones finally below that. So let's start with the hardware right away. So on the bottom you have the 3.5mm jack. So yeah, sorry Moto Z users, I don't know when I'm gonna stop with this, but it's funny so. And then above on the cable of the right earbud you have the microphone, about which I'll talk later. And then right behind that you have a single button to obviously play, pause or pick up a call. Sadly there's no volume keys, and yes, you can use Siri and Google now on long press of this button. But for my fellow Android users, you do have an app for this earphones. It's called the JAYS Headset Control app. Sadly no iOS, only Android. So it's fairly basic, but you can give a lot of options to this single button press and long press and all that. So do check that out. And yeah, I'll leave links down below if you're interested in downloading that. And then finally the earbuds. So it's an all black body with the primary material as plastic. Not the most premium choice, I admit, but does help shave off some weight and maybe even the price. The earbuds come with 1 plus 5 extra ear tips. I actually refer to the manual for the proper sizes, but you have a pair of extra small tips, extra small tips, medium on the earphones, and then a pair of large tips. And no, there's no foam comply tips, but it's okay. But once you get the right size of the ear tips for you, the noise isolation on these buds are spectacular. It just blocks the environment noise so well. I absolutely love it. So yeah, that's a good damn selection of sizes, but I'll recommend you to properly get the sizes set, as it might lead to some problems, which leads me to my next point. The whole back portion of the buds lead to an awesome thick flat cable running all till the bottom, and I can't emphasize how much I love the implementation. It looks cool and moreover it's tangle free. But well, here's the thing, as it's wider and thicker than a usual cable, it makes the earphones heavier, indirectly causing load on the earbuds, causing them to fall off more than what's normal. Now since my ears are not exactly symmetrical, which is well totally normal, they slightly differ in the fitting of the tips in them. So that's it, all this weight issue only caused problem of falling off one earbud of only my one single ear, which gets quite irritating. So now the audio quality is my favorite part to talk about, and it gets even better with the 1 Pluses. So I'll drop all the specs on the screen for the better understanding for some of the spec heads out there, for a common man and woman, cause feminism. What matters is it should sound good. I consider myself as a mild audiophile and this pair is somehow perfect for that. The vocals get superbly clear with clear highs, so you should have utmost fun listening to Ed Sheeran on these earphones. The mids whereas were a bit and only a bit lacking on this. So first of all I examined these on a flat preset, so yeah, when I make that a custom setting, I managed to make the mids equally good. And now the most sensitive topic, the bass. So straight away the bass won't blow your minds away, as these drivers aren't meant to do that, but still the bass is quite decent. But if you listen to bass heavy music, keep other options open. But me personally, I prefer this kind of sound layout because first of all it's not bass heavy, as it disturbs the balance of the audio profile. It has clear vocals, it gets quite loud, coupled with the superb noise isolation, it's just perfect. So yeah, luckily the earphones do have a mic and the audio from your side is actually quite well. It's loud but not so clear. Well, that practically stops the topic of mic, but on a call the audio you receive, it's not good. It's muddy and it sounds teeny. So yeah, that's another thing to keep in mind. Overall, the 1 Pluses being one of the basics from the JAYS, it has some above decent build quality with some good design choices. I love the flat cable, but I feel it has not been given a lot of thought into and it could have been implemented a lot better. Well, the stealthy black color is totally my thing, but with the fitting issue I faced, I have been left upset. But on the contrary, the audio quality and the noise isolation is on par to some of the more premium options. And that brings me to the end of the review of the JAYS 1 Plus. You know the drill, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Drop a like if you like this video, and obviously subscribe if you love my content. Thank you for watching. I am Samyak Bakliwal here, and I'll catch you guys